Hello students, welcome to the class in mathematics. Rohan wants to put wooden tiling around a square-shaped swimming pool of side 15 meters as shown in the figure. In order to put wooden tiling around the square swimming pool, he needs to find the total length of the square swimming pool. For that, he needs to know the perimeter of the square swimming pool. So now, let us help Rohan to find the perimeter of the square swimming pool. We know perimeter is the sum of the length of all the sides. So here, we will add all the sides of the square swimming pool. In this figure, we are given each side of the swimming pool is 15 meters long. Therefore, the total length of the square swimming pool will be equal to perimeter of the square swimming pool, which is equal to 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, which is equal to 60. Hence, total length of a square swimming pool is equal to 60 meters. So today let us learn to find the perimeter of a square and other regular shapes in our topic mensuration. Let us learn to find the formula on perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is the sum of all the sides. That is, it is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. And we know that all the four sides of a square are equal. Therefore, instead of adding it 4 times, we can multiply the length of one side by 4. Therefore, perimeter of a square will be equal to 4 multiplied by length of a side. Now, let us solve an example using the formula on perimeter of a square. Aruna runs around a square field of side 80 meters. How much distance does she cover in 5 rounds? Students, in this question, we are given that the side of the square field is 80 meters and we have to find out the total distance covered by Aruna in 5 rounds. So first, we will find out how much distance will she cover in 1 round. This means we need to find the perimeter of the square field. Therefore, the distance covered by Aruna in 1 round will be equal to perimeter of a square, which is equal to 4 multiplied by length of a side. Substituting the values of side, we get 4 multiplied by 80 meters, which is equal to 320 meters. Therefore, the total distance covered by Aruna in 5 rounds will be equal to 5 multiplied by distance covered in 1 round, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 320 meters. Therefore, if we multiply 320 by 5, we get 1600 meters. Now, let us learn how to find the perimeter of regular shapes. Look at these shapes carefully. Do you find any similarities in these shapes? Yes, they are closed shapes and all sides are of equal length. So, can you tell me what do we call these closed shapes? Such shapes are called regular closed shapes because their sides are of equal length. Now, let us learn to find the perimeter of these regular closed shapes. This is known as an equilateral triangle because it is made up of 3 sides of equal length. To find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, we will multiply the length of one side by 3 because the equilateral triangle has 3 sides of equal length. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by length of a side. In this figure, the measure of each side of an equilateral triangle is 9 cm. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by length of a side, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 9 cm, which gives 27 cm. This is known as a regular pentagon because it is made of 5 sides of equal length. To find the perimeter of a regular pentagon, we will multiply the length of one side by 5 because the regular pentagon has 5 sides of equal length. Therefore, perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to 5 multiplied by length of a side. In this figure, the measure of each side of a regular pentagon is 10 cm. Therefore, perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to 5 multiplied by length of a side, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 cm, which gives 50 cm. This is a regular hexagon because it is made up of 6 sides of equal length. To find the perimeter of a regular hexagon, we will multiply the length of one side by 6 because the regular hexagon has 6 sides of equal length. Therefore, perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to 6 multiplied by length of a side. In this figure, the measure of each side of a regular hexagon is 8 cm. Therefore, perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to 6 multiplied by length of a side, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 cm, which gives 48 cm. So today we have learned to find the perimeter of a square and other regular closed shapes.